Hello, hi friends. Today I will tell you how we can upgrade Windows Server 2012 to 2016. First of all, we have to download ISO image file of operating system. After downloading operating system file, in our case, I have downloaded Windows Server 2016 64 edition. We will click on setup. And here are two options: download and install update, and second one is not right now. We can update later. So I will select not right now and click on next. It will take some time checking systems hardware and specification. I will tell you one most important thing, that before doing anything on live server, you have to take backup of your applications like database, web applications, and other important documents. We are going to upgrade server in such case that our files and database and each and everything will retain, and just it will update Windows version. Okay, but in any case you have to need to take backup before continuing. It is asking for product key. I will give product key and click on next. Here are two options: select image like operating system, Windows Server 2016 standard and 2016 standard desktop experience. In our case, I am selecting Windows Server 2016 desktop experience and click on next, and applicable notes and license. Then I will accept. Click on accept. This point is most important. You have to check carefully before proceeding. Like in our case, keep personal files and app, I will select this one, and if I will select nothing, then all of my data and files, each and everything will be erased and new Windows Server will be installed. But I am selecting keep personal files and apps, so it will keep all my files, data, and web application like database, each and everything. So click on next. Next one is what need your attention. Windows Server upgrade are not recommended. It showing some message, but if you want to upgrade, you can click on confirm. And now checking its space on C drive. Now we can see the things: install Windows Server 2016 desktop experience and keep personal files and apps. It's ready to install. As I click on install, the server will be going to upgrade. Installing. Now next message is installing Windows Server 2016. It will take some time. It's working on updates. Still continue on 93%, and it will take some time to complete upgrade. Windows server upgraded successfully. Now we log in again and check. You can see all the data are present, like all data is available. Now we can also see the version of Windows. It's Windows Server 2016 standard edition, and Windows is activated. You can see everything is working fine. This is all about how we can upgrade Windows Server 2012 to 2016. If you have any queries, you can ask me in comments. Thank you. Bye.